This VW Caravelle is a truly versatile vehicle. It has two swivelling captain's chairs, two optional chairs that can be added when the kitchen isn't in place, and a three-seater at the back, giving it the capacity to travel with 7 people. This easy to use table slides backwards and forwards using the handle at the front. There's a button here that allows the table to lift, and then you simply turn the table top round to hold it in position. To move the bed, you lift lever 1, fold the backrest down, lift up lever 2 and slide it forwards or backwards depending on where you want it to be. You can then pull lever 1 again and lift the backrest up. Pull lever 1 again and you can fold it out into the bed position. This piece at the rear is to extend the bed. You can fold it up out of the way for access during the day and then fold it back down at night to make the bed longer. This piece is also extendable. If you break the hinges here, then it allows this to fold away, again allowing the seat to move further back, or if you fold it back upright, it turns it back into the bed and fills this gap here. The bed is 5'10" long and 5 foot wide and has a memory foam mattress on top for your added comfort. The roof bed is simple to operate. Grab the front edge and pull it towards you. As you can see, you've got a lot of height in here and light coming in from the windows, which can be sealed up for nighttime use. When you want to put it back into the stowed position, simply sit down here, push with one hand, and up it goes, giving you full height from front to back, and this piece that can be moved forwards or taken out of the way. Included with the sale is these 2 passenger seats, a kitchen pod that offers you a sink, 2 gas burners, and a 12-volt fridge with freezer compartment. Fitted on the roof, you also have a solar panel. All around the rear of the vehicle you have original VW Fit blackout blinds, which simply pull up and attach to these clipped positions for nighttime use. Unclip them and drop them back down and they fit flush to the edge of the camper. All in all, this toffee brown VW T5 campervan is a stunning vehicle. It has sidebars, front fog lights, front parking sensors, alloy wheels, tailgate with heated wash wipe, bike rack, rear sensors, electronic handbrake, automatic DSG gearbox, reversing camera, and the large screen stereo. It also features a diesel heater and blackout screens all the way round for nighttime use, which are original VW Fit. It has soft glows on the doors and flush fit side windows for the rear section of the